Alright, we're in Oceanside. We're gonna camp here for the night in a parking lot for $50 a night. Yikes. It's pretty though. Let's go check out this area. Got little pelicans. So cool. I'll take a little kid get there. Some boats. I've never been here before. It's pretty cool. Look at them. I don't know why this thing ain't zooming. Some sailboats. Those look like rental sailboats. And we're on this jetty right here. Rocky this is. Not the carrier. It's windy. Make it, Dobbers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look, grinding stone. No, it's just a hole. Look, they're climbing. Alright, let's get up there because I gotta carry dogs. Unless I get in trouble for having a dog here. I don't know. That's something man-made. This used to be a pier. Look at the water. So clean. Sailboats. There's a lot of these little holes in here too. See them? Oh, blocking it. All those here. Bet this was a pier at one time. I don't want to fall with this dog in my hand. Pretty here. Look at this salt. Look at those little balls. What the heck is that? Crab. Looks like he's moving in slow motion. Mr. Crab. Come over here. Look at that found. Wonder how that got in there. Left over from a dock, maybe? Sea glass. And seashells. That's cool. So this is a clapping circle. I think you're supposed to stand in the middle of it and then clap your hands. These people. I'll have to do this tomorrow morning when there's nobody here. There's too many people. I don't hear nothing. Yay! Woohoo! Beautiful day in Oceanside. Well, there's the dumpsters. That's not so beautiful. What's that? Oh, yeah. Can you hear the difference? Alright, I guess this is the lock, where they put locks on there for love and all that stuff. Relationships. Not very many old ones. I like those. Forever. A lot of these get taken down after a while. That's cool they have this here just for this. That's that. So, okay. Let's go see what else they got here at Oceanside Pier. Oh, this is the pier. Got a lighthouse here. Bunch of boats. Can't even see through the water. And we got Joe's Crab Shack restaurant. I like the lighthouse. What are those things? Those crabs. There was a seal running around here. Oh, he went. Let's see if we can go down now. Look, I found some painted rocks. Yay. And there's the boats. And doggy house. I'm hungry. And there's daubers. Sniff, 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 sniff. Say hi, Dob. Well, here is the lighthouse. I think it's a restaurant. I wonder if the light goes off at night. We'll have to wait and see if we can see it from where we're camping. So boat rentals and stuff. There was a seal, but I missed it. Alright, well, let's go back to the car and see if we can scrounge some food up. Look, they even have checker players with boards in the tables. Now, this is a different game right here. Dominoes. That's kind of neat. And then they have that other beanbag game over there. I want to play. I don't have the beanbags. This is neat. Got a lot of stuff here. They did a good job in this place. There's little Kazoo. She's having a grand old time in my van. Kazoo! Here. Get up on the bed. There she is. She's loving it in here. I think we're gonna make her a van kitty. Huh? You gonna be a van kitty? Dobby isn't gonna be. Dobby's being bad. Oh. Camping with a kitten and a dog? Oy vey. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, it is. I'm sure it was. The other lady was surfing too, but the first one we saw was this one. Because I must have been in Wisconsin.
Dobby, the birdie's eating your food.
There she is. I finished with a little inner tube on.
She's gonna add a duck to it though.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We'll try.
Isn't that cute?
Cute.
So cute.
That's Katie's little doll. Say hi.
Hi.
I like how the inner tube is just hanging there.
Nothing else?
No. I didn't know.
Get it. I think you're sneaky. Giving it to you. Come here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the trip at Oceanside. That's it.